back to my channel. I was in the middle of doing my skincare and then I suddenly remembered that I need to share this with you. So I have here a GUA SHA stone. So this comes in many forms. There is like a roller or something like that, but I have this little pink heart shaped one. This little stone here has got many benefits for our skin. So I will gonna share this with you on what are those benefits of this stone and how to properly use them. So first and foremost, one of the benefits of this little stone here is it does promote blood circulation. So when you do a massage on your face, it kind of like transmits what they call or activates on what they call the meridian areas of your body, which signals the brain to where we need more blood circulation. And then another benefit is it also improves wrinkles. So I'm not sure with the long-standing wrinkles though, but if you kind of like keep doing this probably with those that has just started, then it could hopefully help improve your wrinkles. It also promotes lymphatic drainage, so which means it reduces puffiness. I swear by this because I used to do this like almost every day, and it actually helped and improved my the puffiness on my under eye. But then afterwards, because I've stopped doing it every day, so it kind of like come back again. But if you do this every day, it would hopefully improve your skincare the puffiness or the appearance of the puffiness under your eyes or wherever the puffiness of your face is. And then it also relieves tension on your face. So this is really helpful, guys, because it kind of like in general helps the wrinkles, as I've said, the blood circulation, and as well as improves the puffiness of your face. So how to actually use this? So obviously you have to clean your face first and then put some toner, and then after your toner you obviously have to put moisturizer or oil. So in my case, I've used oil. I like using I like putting oil on my face when I use this because it kind of like makes it smoother to use. So what I do first is this area here, this side here is for my face first. So on an upward direction, just do like that. Do like at least 10 seconds of that one. And then on the other side, like apply a little bit of pressure onto it so that at least it would relieve also the tension at what we are aiming for. Up to you and how long you want to do the massage. I usually do like 5 to 10 seconds every now and then. And then same area to do the chin in a downward direction this time. And then the same area on your forehead, upward position. Don't get surprised if you kind of like notice some like a little bit of redness on where you massage. I think it's just the pressure when you do the massage. And then this area here is for between your eyebrow. Just do like that, sideways. And then onto the other side. And then this part here, I kind of like just do it like that on my under eye, or what we usually call eye bags. And I have quite a prominent one at the moment. Do this every day, guys, and I could guarantee you that you could really see a difference on your face. And you would definitely reduce the wrinkles on your face too. So after I do that, I again do my cheek You can also do like the lower, this part here. So always in an outward position. So just repeat. It doesn't matter on what's the sequence or what you do first. It's just how I do it. Can you hear Angel? She's playing downstairs with his dad in Korea. And this is very sanitary too, because before and after use, you can just clean it or wash it with soapy water, and then that's it. So yes, those are the many benefits of the gua sha stone and how to properly use them. It's very, very easy and it's very simple to use. And if you use it every day and as part of your skincare routine, you would really see a big difference on your skin. So that's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.